Before deciding to buy CartHook for your dropshipping business, there are a few key things you need to know to make sure it's the right fit for you. While CartHook offers some great features, it's important to compare it with other dropshipping tools available on the market. Stay tuned to the end where we'll recommend a better option that you can try for free. First, CartHook specializes in checkout optimization. It's one of the top choices for stores looking to streamline the post-purchase process. The platform allows for customized checkout flows and optimized cart abandonment recovery, which can drive higher conversion rates than some competitors, like Shopify's built-in checkout system. However, it doesn't offer as many built-in features as Shopify Plus or other platforms designed for larger-scale businesses, so it might not be ideal for high-volume merchants who need more robust tools. Next thing, CartHook integrates well with Shopify, which makes it an easy add-on for merchants already using the platform. It also connects to popular email marketing tools like Klaviyo and OmniSend, so it's easy to integrate with your existing marketing stack. That said, its integrations are still limited compared to tools like Spocket or Oberlo, which offer a more expansive selection of supplier connections. If you're looking for a more comprehensive automation setup, CartHook might not have all the bells and whistles you'll need right out of the box. The third thing to consider is the pricing structure. CartHook operates on a subscription model with different tiers based on the number of orders you process each month. While it's fairly affordable for new or small businesses, its pricing can quickly ramp up as you scale, which might make it a more expensive option than some alternatives like WooCommerce or BigCommerce for larger businesses. Next, CartHook's cart abandonment features are definitely a strong suit. The platform provides a series of automated emails to recover abandoned carts, which has been shown to increase sales. However, competitors like Klaviyo or Shopify's native email tool provide similar features, often with more flexibility, especially in their higher tier plans. CartHook's approach is effective, but not the most customizable option available. The fifth thing to note is its upsell and cross-sell capabilities. CartHook allows you to offer post-purchase upsells, a feature that's proven to increase average order value. But while this feature is convenient, platforms like ThriveCart provide more options for customizing these upsell flows, making CartHook feel a bit restrictive in comparison. Next, CartHook supports subscription-based products, allowing businesses to create subscription-based models within their store. This can be useful for recurring revenue businesses, but it lacks some of the advanced subscription management features that services like Recharge offer. If subscriptions are a significant part of your business model, you might want to explore Recharge or other specialized tools. The seventh thing is CartHook's customer support. While it provides responsive support through email and live chat, some users report slower response times compared to more premium options, like Shopify Plus's 24/7 dedicated support. So, if customer support is a priority for you, CartHook might not always be the quickest in addressing issues. Next, the platform's reporting capabilities are another area to consider. CartHook's reporting is simple, but doesn't offer the depth of analytics that some competitors like Klaviyo or Google Analytics provide. If you need in-depth reporting and advanced analytics, you might find CartHook a bit lacking. Another important thing to note is CartHook's ease of use. The interface is relatively user-friendly, especially for those already familiar with Shopify. However, it might not be as intuitive for beginners who are new to dropshipping. In comparison, platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce are generally regarded as easier for new users to pick up. The 10th thing is that CartHook doesn't have a free trial. While some competitors like Oberlo offer free plans or trials, CartHook requires a subscription from the start. This can be a bit of a hurdle for those just starting out who want to test the waters before committing to a paid plan. Next thing, CartHook does provide some customization options for checkout pages, but the customization options aren't as flexible or as advanced as those offered by platforms like CartFlows or ThriveCart. If design flexibility is key for your store's checkout experience, CartHook might not be the best fit. The 12th thing to consider is CartHook's future. As a growing platform, CartHook is constantly evolving, adding new features and expanding its capabilities. However, its growth might not always align with your business needs, especially if you're looking for more cutting-edge solutions. You'll need to keep an eye on how its features